Father's Day, right around the corner. So what are you getting dear old dad this year? Think about it. You haven't even thought about it. I know. InTown.com is the place to stay in the know on where to go. And Laura Doloff joins me with some creative Father's Day ideas you can find on InTown. Laura, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
And here's the thing, and I find that sometimes dads really get the short end of the stick when it comes to their special day. You know, for Mother's Day, we go all out. It's flowers, it's dinner, it's lunch, you know, it's all the extra. And dad kind of gets whatever, we give
the tie or the barbecue grill accessory.
Yeah, something that you don't really put much thought into, but we're challenging people this year to use InTown.com to come up with some really different ideas, maybe some things that they've never thought about before for dad. So let's talk about some of the things.
Oh, that'd be great. Well, we have some really interesting things. One of them, I think, really out of the box, Soka Day Spa.
Love them.
Is doing a really great thing for Father's Day where they have set up these wonderful packages where dad can go in and get a facial and a massage and probably something he would never, ever, ever think to buy for himself.
Exactly.
But at the end of it, he's going to feel great. And it's kind of a nice perk for mom, too, because you're going to have, smooth
That's
skin.
right, when you give him that hug, and then he won't be as tense and he won't be hurting your fingers. So you have to give him that.
Right. Now you might walk into the man cave later and see him with cucumber on his eyes. I'm not sure, but
It's like, babe, don't bother me right now. I'm just vegging out. We got that. Now let's also talk about river dogs. Of course, I think most dads, they love sports, including our river dogs here in town. So what do they have going on?
And they are doing a wonderful thing for fathers. Basically what you can do is on InTown.com you can go to their ad and they're having a contest. You go to their Pinterest page, the link's right on the site, and then on their Pinterest page you can actually list your favorite baseball memory. And then what happens is that they're going to pick a random person from that, and the person who wins, their father gets 4 tickets to the game on Sunday and a chance to they get to throw the ceremonial first pitch out.
Oh, so, now that is really thinking out of the box. I like that. And by the way, Father's Day is this Sunday.
Yes.
Some of you, oh my God, it's it is this Sunday. All right, now let's see, what else do we have? Something about some team t-shirts.
Yes, Thread Fins, which actually is the owner of Fear No Easel, is also with Thread Fins, and he gets local artists to paint these amazing scenes. And he has Clemson and Gamecock shirts made by paintings that he turned into shirts, and they're wonderful. And he's actually doing 30% off just for in-towners. So what dad wouldn't love that?
And absolutely. So how would people find out about all these deals and of course other deals, because they change daily, I'm sure.
Yes.
Daily and weekly, and there's so much, and all of it's local.
Yes. We have almost 500 different postings on the site right now, all local. It's all real time, so come once, come often. Things are popping up all the time, and we're getting new businesses daily, which is wonderful. But yeah, just go on the site, www.intown.com, and then we have all the different categories, entertainment, be active. We also have a thing right now, Mount Pleasant, CrossFit Mount Pleasant is giving away a free month of CrossFit. That might be a great thing for dad.
Absolutely.
Like us on our Facebook, and you can maybe be eligible for that. So lots of great things.
So the only thing that InTown requires really is maybe your email address, but it's totally free.
Yeah, and actually you don't even have to do that. You can actually just use the site. We have a Just Look Around button. So if you don't want to give me your email address right now, I can earn it later. You can just do that. But yeah, you can just use the site when you want to use it.
All right, for some of your Father's Day gift ideas, definitely InTown.com. Thank you, Laura.
You're welcome.
All right,
Thank
take
you.
care.